to the fairies. Oh, the fairies are cute. Okay, so in here it's not just fairies, it's kind of all things fantasy. So this is a learn to draw book, but it can also be a colouring book as well. Once you've drawn your lovely image onto another piece of paper and rubbed out the grid, you can then colour it in. So if we go through, we've got a cute little baby dragon, we've got a cute little mushroom house, there's another one. We associate fairies with mushroom houses, don't we? We've got a wand there. I think as well, I've earned some vouchers for some free postage, but I'm not sure how that works yet. I need to figure that out. So as we go through the book, they're all things fairy related or fantasy related. So if you're learning to draw, this is always one of the best places to start to use the grid method. It's well known by most artists, the grid method as a way of transferring an image. So this is a way of learning when you are just starting out to transfer the image over. There we go. So again, everything's fantasy themes. There's a couple of dragons in there. So you've even on some of them got some examples of how to colour once you have drawn it. So you do the practice drawing in here, transferring it using the grid. Then you can use the A5 sketchbook in the kit to transfer it again and rub out the grid. And then you can practice colouring in with the colouring pencils that you get in the kit. Obviously, if you've got your own paper and pencils, then you can just buy the book. It's no problem. So all fantasy images in this book related to fairies and fairy houses. And although these aren't colouring, these are learn to draw. So you just transfer it to the other grid. And basically what you're doing is learning observation skills in a way that you can manage as a beginner. So you're basically observing what's where in accordance to the squares. So as a beginner, it needs to be that simple for you. And then, as I say, you can transfer it over again. So you do the practice in the book. Then with the sketchbook that comes with it, again, it's A5. So you can just pop it in your bag with the book. And you transfer it again, and then you can colour. As I said before, you've got colouring pencils with it. You get the eraser and you get a full set of drawing pencils. The Learn to Draw kits are really good value for money. So yeah, take a look. So we're going through, it's all things fantasy still. This is the Fairies Learn to Draw book. If you are in the room, please don't forget to double tap and maybe think about giving me a follow for future kits and books. But this is all fairy related in this one. There's lots of other themed books in my shop. Here we are, we've got more mushroom houses coming. There's lots and lots of things in my shop in terms of books. So we've gone through fairies, winter, dragons, animal kingdom.